Engineering Fundamentals. Here in today's lecture we will see what are the symbols for designating surface finish on a drawing. In previous video we have seen the introduction of a surface roughness, how the surface roughness we are getting and what are the different elements of a surface roughness that we have seen. In today's lecture we will see how that surface finish on a product we are getting, how we have to represent in a symbolic form on a engineering drawing. So in this, the surface roughness which is measured on a surface which is machined by in a process. Here this roughness is shown on a drawing on a surface by taking the two lines, which two lines are 60 degree to the surface which is checked, and one is a small line, another is a larger line. Means if suppose this is a edge, this small line's height is h, then this line will be 3h. Okay, if this fashion the roughness is mentioned on a drawing, this RA value is mentioned in a drawing, then this process, this roughness value RA we are getting by using any production method. This RA value we are getting by using any production method, means either a chip formation method or chipless method. By using that we are getting this surface roughness value. This is the first symbolic representation of surface finish on a drawing. Then if this RA value we are getting by using a machining method, then this small line we have to join with this larger line, then we are getting the reverse triangle. Means we have joined the small line with the large line. If this formation is given, is 60 degree. If this formation is given, then this RA value we are getting by using machining method. By using machining method, means either RA value we are getting by a turning process, drilling process, milling process or grinding process. If the machining we are getting, then this symbolic representation is given, and this large line is extended horizontally, and on this large line we have to write the machining method. So whatever machining method we are getting this RA value, that machining method name we have to write on this horizontal line. So in this way we can mention the symbol of a surface finish. Then third, this RA value we are getting by using without removing material. Without removing material from the surface, then in this symbol you have to draw one inner circle, so that this RA value we are getting by using without removing any material. So these are the three symbolic representation which we can see on an engineering drawing. Then if this value we are getting, then the engineering drawing they have mentioned how that value we are getting, what will be the cutoff length and all these things. For that this type of symbolic representation is given. So I have written the names A, B, C, D. What it stands for? This A is a surface roughness value. Roughness value, that is RA. So this surface roughness value we are getting, and this surface roughness value we are getting by using machining method, any machining method. So this machining method writing, so B stands for machining method. So whatever machining method, either turning, drilling, milling, so this machining method. C stands for machining allowance. Machining allowance. So how much machining allowance is given to the surface which we are getting this RA value. Then D stands for lay direction. means at which direction you have measured the surface roughness. Either this direction can be perpendicular, parallel, cylindric, circular, multidirectional or angular. So this is the lay direction we have to write. And for which cutoff length we have measured, that we have to write here. So E stands for cutoff length, or it is called as a sampling length. So in this way we have to mention the surface roughness in a symbolic form. A will be the array value we are getting. B is a machining method. Either it can be turning, drilling, any other method. C stands for machining allowance. D is a lay direction, and E is a cutoff length. So in this fashion you can see any engineering drawing, and that engineering drawing is shown whatever the surface you have checked, you got the array value, and how that array value you are getting, that it is mentioned. Okay, so here we have seen the symbolic representation how the surface roughness is mentioned on an engineering drawing. If you like the video, please stay connected and subscribe my channel Engineering Fundamentals. Also like, comment and share. Thank you.